Okay, let's talk about cleaning our guns. All right, some of the items and tools that you're going to need in order to clean your gun is going to be real quickly some type of CLP or cleaner, lubricant, and protectant. This particular brand, Break Free, is all in one. In other words, when you clean it, you're also lubricating it and protecting it while you clean, all the same solution. Don't need to do it more than once. All right. Other brands you have are going to be this one right here by Amsoil. You've got the Firearm Cleaner. Uh, this only cleans the gun. It does not lubricate it. It doesn't protect it. It only cleans it. It does a good job of it, but that's all it does. So you need to follow it up with a lubricant and protectant. This particular one is lubricant and protectant. So this is going to be you going over your gun almost a full 2 times in order to make sure it's protected later on for when you want to use it. This other one is a gun oil, synthetic gun oil. This one does a fantastic job for certain guns and certain moving parts, that kind of thing. Metal on metal is what we're talking about when it comes to using these cleaners and lubricating and protecting them. We're talking about the metal portions of the gun. All right. You're going to need some sort of rag. Obviously, all I did was I cut an old tube sock I hardly used in half. I'm using a portion of that. All right. This particular brush comes with the gun that I bought that I'll be cleaning today, as well as this cleaning rod. This will actually go inside here, and I don't know if I can get it in there. There we go. That will screw in, and I'll finish screwing that in if I want to use it. Also comes with a cleaning brush. I don't remember if this came with the gun or if I bought this separately. I don't recall. But a cleaning brush or a toothbrush works just fine. Some sort of firm or hard toothbrush will work just fine for your needs. You don't need to go buy a special brush. This one is a brass cleaning brush. When you want to get in the barrel and just get a little bit more abrasive. This one's brass. This one is a different size than this one because these are 2 different calibers. All right, this one is for a 40 caliber gun. This one is for a 9mm. So I'm not going to get much cleaning done on my 40 caliber gun if I only use this 9mm. All right, I need to use something that fits the inside of the barrel. This particular synthetic plastic type of cleaning brush works fine. It's just not as abrasive as this one. So I don't have a 9mm synthetic plastic cleaning brush on. So that's why I'll use this one when it comes time. All right. Something that also comes in handy is going to be Q-tips. These are just regular Q-tips. I use those for cleaning guns all the time, get in places that I can't get, and as well as put oil and protect it in places that I can't reach. Not a heavy coat of anything like that, but just to make sure it coats it just a little bit, right? Other tools you may need when you get into cleaning your gun deeper, taking it apart even further, which make sure you're aware about what you're doing. You've watched videos on it, whether they're provided by me or somebody else, on how to fully take your guns apart and clean every little piece, because if you don't put them back in the right spaces and the right order, there's going to be a problem. Right? It's not going to function like you like it. It may not be as consistent. And when it comes time for you to, for your life to be in danger, you need a tool that you can rely on to protect yourself or someone else, right? So make sure you put those items back in the correct order, correct position, that sort of thing. And a tool you may need for that is just a punch, right? Glock provides a punch. It's the same size as this one that I've had for, gosh, 12, 14, 15 years, I don't know. Same exact size, but just a little bit longer handle. So to take guns apart, I'll use this very often. So, but that's later on. That's nothing right now. What we're going to cover next is going to be field stripping the gun and cleaning it.